Welcome back, friends, to Brothers. We are continuing on down the lonely road. What do we got here? Some goats, some rams, whatever. Little man didn't help. There we go. Should I shut this? I want to let this dude's goats out. Oh my god, he can ride it. Oh my god. Can you ride one too? Oh my god, he can. I don't know what we can do with this, but I like it. Can we break through something? Yes. Can you climb? Like goats climb rocks and shit? This is awesome! We're doing it. We're fucking taking these dude's goats. We're doing it! That's it! That is the key! Yes! Thanks for the goats, bro! I want one. This is awesome. Woo! Those are the most ballin' goats of all time. Crisscrossing. Nice. Thanks, boys. Mountain goats. Love it. That was awesome. Little action music. That was a good sequence. Uh-oh. What's this dude? Hey! Okay. You need some help with your machine? Alright. Whatever you say, buddy. Can I, like, chuck this thing? No? Okay, how the hell? We gotta get up there, my goodness. Oh, we can jump somewhere. Okay, let's take it with us then. Oh shit, can't jump with it. How the hell are we gonna get it up? Oh! Okay. Didn't expect him to chuck it. Okay. Chuck it again? Nope. Oh shit. Seriously, chuck it. Maybe he has to be over there, so it's like he's supposed to catch it. I didn't hit the action button, so he didn't catch it? Yep. Ha! Nice! Slap it on there. And we'll run these. No, we want to bring them up, I think. Slow going. We did it! Look at him scuttling along. Oh, nice place, dude. Hey. What is this? This old fella. Hey.
Wendahi alatia? Sa.
Are we gonna go flying? That's what it looked like. Where was it? This guy's got like a flying machine we're gonna take? What's this do? What the hell is this? Okay, so we got some kind of propeller. Is he not strong enough to move that one? Nope. Where in the hell? Okay, so this needs to be in a certain position, it looks like. I'm gonna guess right there. Oh, he loves it! Look at that jig. Got achieve. That's awesome. I think that's what that whole thing is about. Oh, I bet I could have got achieve if I did something more with that guy that was trying to hang himself too. Oh well. Surely look at the achievement list for this. This is a game I'd like to, like, 100%. Okay, so that's where we're going. Little hooks we can grab on. Okay. And there's the flying machine. Fantastic. Let's do this. Oh, this could be a this could be a bad one. Let's go, boys. Oh shit. We need to turn to the right, so I'm gonna guess he needs to come over here. Oh shit! No, we don't want to turn the right. Oh. Okay, that thing turns slow. Okay, no problem, no problem. I think we're gonna go clear around that mountain, maybe? That's what we're gonna try. Let's do it. Is this like one of Da Vinci's flying machines? Okay, we're gonna try and go through. Okay, so we can't even get over there. I see a hole in the wall over there. Is that what we're aiming for? Oh shit. Yeah, we're good, we're good. Straighten her out, straighten her out. Oh, oh, oh. Oh god. Okay, so far so good. Oh god. Don't hit the wing. Don't hit the wing. No. Turn left. Oh, this is intense. This is intense. I love this though. This is amazing. Oh no! Uh-oh. That kind of scared the shit out of me. Oh god. You can make it, boys. You can make it. Oh god, no, we're not gonna make it. Come on. Oh shit. Should we have been aiming for that? No, we're going all the way. All or nothing. We need to go to the left though. Yes. Yes! Nice job. Alright, well, we're definitely not flying out of here. I see an open window way up there. I'm guessing that's what's gonna have to happen. Yep. Oh, some rope. That's good. Oh god. We're gonna do some mountain climbing. This is our safety catch. Oh Jesus. Okay. This is one hell of an adventure. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm guessing we're just gonna have to swing from one to another. So you let go. And then grab. No, not yet. Okay, swing it. There we go. Okay. There we go. Oh, this is freaking awesome. Perfect. Now climb around. This is amazing. I'm loving this shit. I really am. This is awesome. Okay, you. Yep. You. Then we're going up. And you. Good. And you. You. Fucking A. Good work, boys. That was awesome. That was really awesome. Okay. What now? Climb this, apparently. It's gonna be some more of what we were doing before. Oh! Whoops! Well, at least we didn't go back too far. Oh, that would have just broke a couple legs, no biggie. Okay. Can we go up? No. Where are we going? This way? No. This way? Must be. Looks like it kind of takes that corner, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, fucking B, you get a little lead. Oh, yeah, looks like we got a long way to swing. Awesome. You get a rhythm on this, you can probably do it pretty quick. I'm guessing we might have to, too. Some of these might break or something. Wouldn't surprise me. Alright. Yep. Called that shit. It's so hard to keep your mind straight with some of this sometime. Oh shit. I'm fucked. Nope. We're okay. We're okay. Good grab. Nice. Woo, look out. Whew. Okay, some jumping. We can do that. Been there, done this. Oh, that adds an interesting element. Can we get all the way up there? Yep. Oh shit, now what? Okay, he'll go up. Oh! Okay, you go up. You let go. And go up. Go both. Skip that one, I think. Yep. And up. Nice job. Okay. Fucking A. Fucking B. Cool, more of this. What is that sound? You hear that screeching sound? What the hell is that? Shit. Wrong kid. Up you go. At least these aren't breaking. Could be worse. Up you go. Awesome. Oh shit. Oh god. You go over there. No? Can't? Can't jump that? Oh, piss. Oh, how huge these boards are. Jump over that. What the hell? Fine. Do this the hard way, we'll do it the hard way. Is there gonna be like a giant up here? Because these are ridiculous. Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. Out we go. Probably been playing this for a while. I think I'll go ahead and stop this one here. Continue on next time. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment down below. This game is absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.